Helps increase life of rubber products. Ideal for use with O-ring seals. Conditions and permeates rubber surface. Food-grade silicone grease. Great for camera seals, flexible gasket, air regulator rebuilds, dive lights, dive computers, metal detectors and more. Top reviews from the United States. Must have for scuba gear. I have been using this for 30 years. If you don't dive a lot, a smaller container would be fine. It does not spoil. Keep it clean. I use it for most O-rings including dive lights, cameras, other equipment. This is not appropriate for equipment that will be exposed to oxygen concentrations greater than 40%. We use a different lubricant. I even coat knife blades with this after I clean them. It helps deter rust. They all rust if you don't take care of them. On O-rings, a tiny amount goes a long way. The silicone does not help the seal. It just helps the O-ring fit on the surfaces. The O-ring creates the seal.